Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this super glamorous glittery smoky eyes with a hint of blue and paired with this gorgeous bold fuchsia wine lip, which is absolutely suitable for this coming New Year's party and the New Year's Eve. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I have already done my eyebrows and my brows are quite bold today. Now for my face makeup, I'm going to use a foundation and I'm using this Pack HD liquid foundation in the shade 2.5. And I'm taking 2 pumps of it at the back of my hand and I'm going to just spread it with the help of my fingers in several dots all over my face. So this foundation is really suitable for parties because this just gives you very nice glow from within look. So it has got a very nice dewy finish and I'm just blending this out with the help of the sponge, and you can see guys that this has given me such a nice medium to full coverage look and it has added such nice glow to my face. So for the parties you can just use this. So for the concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. So since I'll be creating a very bold eye look, I just want to highlight my face. So I'm putting this concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, or on my mouth. And you can see that using concealer actually helps you just highlighting your face and just concealing your dark spots and a lot of stuff. So now I'm going to just set my face with the help of a compact, and this one is from LAKME, so it works pretty well for me. So to make my foundation and concealer last for a very longer period of time, I just need to set it, and you can use any loose powder or compact you have to set your face. And this is how my base makeup looks like. Now it's time to do my eye makeup, and for the eyes I'm using this Makeup Revolution 1 Million palette. And at first I'm going to take this light mauve shade from the palette in a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to just put it all over my crease as a transition color. So this color shows up very slowly, so you have to just build this color very slowly to get the best pigmentation. So take your time and build this color all over your crease. Now I'm going to take this dark mauve shade from the palette, from the same palette, and in a small blending brush I'm just putting it in the outer corners of my eyes, dragging it towards the crease to blend with the previous transition shade. So using this technique actually just helps in making your eyeshadow have a lot more gradient, and you can see there is a gradient all over your lid. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade from the palette in a small petite crease brush and put it in the outer corners of my eyes, and just in circular motion I just like to deepen my crease like this, and this will just help to create depth in your crease. I'm taking a gel eyeliner, and this one is from L'Oreal. You can use any gel eye pencil or gel liner you have. Now with the help of the brush it comes with, I'm gonna apply this gel liner all over my lid like this. So this will just help to create a base for my next eyeshadow to work on. So this is how it looks. Now taking a stiff blending brush, I'm gonna blend that liner like this. So you just need to smudge it to make it a lot more blend out. So take your time and just smudge it all over your lid, and this is how it looks. This is the Wet n Wild CATSUIT liquid eyeshadow in the shade Gunmetal. So it has got a glittery finish, not a lot of glitters, but it has got a very nice pearly shiny finish in it. So I'm going to just apply this liquid eyeshadow all over my lid on the area where I have applied that gel liner, and blend the same with the help of a small flat shader brush. And you can see this is such a stunning gunmetal shade which just adds such nice look to this eye look. Now going back to the previous dark brown shade, I'm just intensifying it in the outer corners of my eyes so that there will be no harsh lines to blend everything actually. Taking the previous blending brush, I'm also blending out the edges. Now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. You can use any black you have, and in a stiff smudging brush I'm going to put it right in the outer corners of my eyes, and you will be not dragging it very much. So this is how it looks, and intensifying the previous gunmetal shade a little bit to make it more intense since the lot of shade has fall out. So this is how it is looking now. So now this is the star of the show. It's a pressed glitter from Wet n Wild and it's silver in shade and it just looks stunning, guys. It's called Spiked from the single pressed glitter range from Wet n Wild. So in a flat shader brush, I'm going to just apply this glitter on the area where I have applied that gunmetal shade, basically all over my lid. So just don't press it too much. It has got glue in it, so it will just mess up the entire look. So just apply it in a light-handed way all over your lid like this. So you can see, guys, it's such a stunning shade which looks really nice for the party makeup or for the wedding makeup. I'm really happy that I got it. So this is how it turned out. Doing the same on my left eyes as well. Now I'm going to tightline my eyes using a kohl, and this one is from Rimmel. So I'm just tightlining my upper and lower waterline with the help of this kohl. Now taking a blue eyeshadow, and this one is from Freedom. It has got a nice shimmery finish in it, more like a pearly finish. So taking it in a smudging brush, I'm going to just put it all over my lower lash line, just smudging out the previous kohl that I have put on my lower waterline. So you can see this blue has added such nice look to this eye look. Now I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner. So using small strokes, using the previous gel eyeliner from L'Oreal, I'm going to draw a long wing for this look. For the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and this mascara just lengthens my lashes very well. It doesn't add that much volume, so I'm just adding 2 regular good coats of this mascara both on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm gonna have a pair of false eyelash. So lashes done, guys. This is how the eyes turned out. Now I'm going to just finish the rest of my face, and for contouring my face I'm using this contour shade from the Makeup Revolution contour kit, and just put it in the hollows of my face and all the areas where I just need to create artificial shadows. Since it's a party look, you just need to make your face look a lot more sharpened and defined, so contouring is a must. So I'm also contouring my nose as well using the same shade. So I'm taking now a blush, and this one is from Nykaa. I'm just mixing these 2 blush shades and just pop it on the apples of my face to add a little bit of color on my face. Taking this liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution, I'm gonna put it on the highest points of my face. So it's a liquid highlighter, guys. It just gives you a very nice glow from within look. So in several dots, I'm just putting it on the highest points of my face like this. This is not at all a chunky or shimmery highlighter, so you can easily blend it with the help of your fingers. So I'm just gonna blend it with the help of my fingers, and you can see it is adding such nice glow. And to top this liquid highlighter up, I'm just using this highlighting shade from the contour kit and applying it on the highest points of my face like this, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my nose, cupid's bow, chin. You know the drill, guys. I'm also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with the same highlighter. This will just help to open up my eyes and make your eyes look a lot more bigger. Highlighting my brow bone with the same as well. So this is how my overall highlighted face looks like. Now for the lipstick, this is one of the most important star of the show. It's the Gala of London Long Stay Lip Color in the shade Grapevine. So it's a stunning fuchsia shade which has got a lot of wine tone in it, which looks stunning, guys. I really like this lip shade, but I don't like the formula of this lipstick. It's really drying on the lips. So if you are comfortable with drying liquid lipsticks, I think you can give this a shot. But the shade is to die for, guys. I really like this sort of shade, so it just pairs up so well with this eye look. Now to set my overall face, I'm using this makeup setting spray from Wet n Wild and just spritzing it all over my face, and this will just help my makeup last for a very longer period of time. And so this is how my New Year's party look turned out. So this is the finished look, guys. This is how it turned out, and I'm really happy with the finished look. This sort of makeup look is suitable for parties, weddings, and you can just wear this to the New Year's Eve's party. So I hope you like this video, guys, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So we'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Till then, just take care of yourself. Happy New Year to all of you guys. Love you. Bye.